Alienware today, we're leaders in desktop gaming, we're leaders in notebook gaming. Everything we do is customer first. And what we continuously hear a lot of our customers say is they want to take that same gaming experience.
Hey, what's up guys? I want to talk to you really quickly about a new product unveiled at CES this year, the Alienware Concept Ufo. This is a prototype, so there's no confirmation of what this final product will look like and exactly how it'll function. But let's be serious, this is a direct Nintendo Switch copy or ripoff, however you want to say it. Whatever the minimum changes they would need to make to the Nintendo Switch form factor to avoid a lawsuit, it looks like they made those changes and stopped there. But that said, of course, this is PC, so playing PC games, the device itself, at least the prototype, looks really cool. It looks like we have lit up rings around the thumbsticks. The device looks a little more ergonomic maybe than the Nintendo Switch, and hold up, that kickstand looks awesome. It looks like a direct improvement from the super flimsy kickstand the Switch has. So Nintendo, if you're looking at this new Alienware product and thinking ahead to the Nintendo Switch Pro that we all know is coming, we just don't know when, maybe you should copy their kickstand because this looks pretty slick. The controller sides are apparently detachable, at least in this prototype form, and you can attach them to a grip controller, again, exactly like Nintendo Switch. So we know it looks the same. What we don't know are the final specs. We don't know how much horsepower this will pack. I think it's safe to assume it's going to be more than what Nintendo brings to the table. This is Alienware. They're not limited to a $299 price point. These guys can charge whatever they want, especially for upgraded models. Some of us, myself included, maybe don't want a large gaming PC. This apparently will be dockable. If they can make this with substantial enough specs to play, any game on at least medium settings, keep this thing under $700-800, I could see this being an effective replacement for a gaming PC. And it reminds me a little bit of the Intel NUC or NUC, I'm not really sure how to say it, but that Intel concept. And there was a new Ghost Canyon model for the Intel NUC shown at CES. And it's a modular PC. Presumably this Alienware product will not be modular since it's so compact. I'm sure you won't be able to swap things out. But the NUC is a modular desktop, but the similarity is it's a very small product. So if you want a computer with something close to desktop performance, it does have a portable processor. So we're not full desktop territory here, but you can connect them to full desktop GPUs. So for gaming purposes, you could get pretty far, I think, with these Intel NUC products that are coming out. And maybe that'll be the case here with the Alienware. I think the direction that we're seeing is there's a new product category coming to town with gaming computers for things that are small and no longer just limited to the gaming laptops. Although there was a new gaming laptop unveiled that did look compelling. It made PC Mag's top 10, and it's the ASUS Zephyrus G14.
Dan here with ASUS ROG, and I'm at CES 2020, and I've snuck in a little bit early so I can give you guys a sneak peek at the ROG Zephyrus G14. This laptop has all the power and performance you've come to expect.
So product looks good, but I can tell you I need a laptop to go into meetings and to travel with at times, and a gaming laptop just isn't that high on my priority list. I would rather have something akin to a small desktop form factor, or maybe even this Alienware Switch ripoff. But let me know what you think. Different strokes for different folks. That's always been the beauty of the PC market. There are so many different options. This year's CES 2020 is no different. We've got more options coming, guys. So that's all for now. If you like this video, hit like. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you next time.